In this series of videos, we'll give you a basic overview of how the EHEapp works. In this first video, we'll have a look at how to download and sign up to the app. The easiest way to download the app is from our website. This can be found from our Facebook page, EHEapp, or from directly at info.eheapp.co.uk. Once on the home page, you can scroll down and find links to the app stores. The EHEapp is currently only available on iPhones, but when the Android version is released, you'll download it in the same way. Now we're on the App Store, you can download the app. You can also see a few screenshots and a basic description of how the app works. We already have the app, so let's open it up and click Create an Account. Like a lot of apps, we need some basic information to get you started. For signing in, we need an email address and password. This password does need to be of a certain quality, and you can see what needs to be included by clicking the little info button. We also require your full name and phone number. Your name is used to identify you in the app and web portal, and your phone number is an added layer of security. If we detect a suspicious login attempt, we'll send you a code to this phone number. Have a quick look over our privacy policy and terms, and if happy, click Accept and create your account. In order to confirm your account, we'll send you a confirmation code to the email address you entered. Once this has gone through, you'll be shown the subscription screen. You'll then see a pop-up asking if you're happy for us to track your activity. All this allows us to do is link you to your billing account, which will help us with any issues that come up. In order to access the app, we do require you to have a subscription. We have a monthly and annual option, and both of these start with a 7-day free trial. There's also a little bit more information at the top of the page. Click on whatever option you prefer. Here you can see confirmation of the free trial, and then subscribe, entering any required information. Once processed, you'll be shown the welcome screen where we can get you started in the app. First of all, we're going to add a child. We'll put in their full name and it will generate some initials, which you can change if you want. You'll then need to choose a start date for this child's journal. This is simply the week you want the journal to start on, and we recommend leaving it on the default choice of today unless you have past entries you want to add. That's our first child done, so now we'll add another, going through the same process. Once you're happy, simply click Finish. You'll then be shown another pop-up, this time asking for permission to collect usage and crash data. This data really helps us and is only used to improve the app and fix issues quickly if they come up. And that's the sign-up process complete. Here you can see both children that we added, ready for us to start creating their journals, which is what we'll look at in the next video.